Today at the lab I'm mounting 7 Upper Console pilot electronics. I need to cut the side frame on 42 red backlight pieces. The problem I face is how to keep the part against the reference point. Generally I use this metal ladder, but they don't fit inside the vise. Therefore I'll just take the space shuttle and make a space strip. Ah, the Earth, live view from the I.S.S. And there it is, the International Space Station. It's got exactly what I need, an L-shaped Lego piece I can borrow. Flying back to planet Earth. Thanks buddies for delivering this piece here. A wrench will hold it in place. Now I can cut them. Perfect fit.